Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this ALCATEL. Start by going into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Notifications. Following that, click on Manage App Notifications and select one of your apps. I will go with Chrome. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from Chrome are now blocked. If you wish to enable them, just click on the switcher again. You can also just click on one of your apps and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!